Welcome to my channel V4 Concept Learning. Again we are going to do one more video about verb tense. Grade 3, welcome to my channel. In the previous video we did about verb to be. Today we are going to do verb tenses, past, present and future. So first we will do for present. बच्चों, मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपसे कहा था कि अब हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे वर्ब टेंसेस. सो हियर योर वर्ब टेंसेस न्यू लेसन इज हियर फॉर ग्रेड 3. लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्ब टेंसेस. फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद द प्रेजेंट टेंस. What do you mean by present tense? A verb in the present tense shows action happening now. जो अभी हो रहा है उसको हम कहते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस. अभी जो हो रहा है हैपनिंग नाउ, इट्स कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट टेंस in a verb. A verb in the present tense shows action happening now is a present tense. For present tense, we usually add s or es to the verb. हम जब s और es verb में add करेंगे तो वो present tense होता है. Check the example with s. Jump. Jump is a verb. We add here s. Jumps. Talk verb. Add s. Talks. Count plus s. Counts. I think so you remember the rule what I told you before also. The word finish with sh or ch we usually add es for plural. So here you can see in the verb the same here. Ch ends the word with the ch. Catch, add es. Catches. Catch is a verb. Go is a verb. We add here es. Goes. Do. Do is a verb. Add es. Does. So these all are the example of adding es in the verb to make present tense. Now we can do the practice for s and es where it goes for present tense. Match the following. A painter, what the painter do? Check the next column. A painter paints. We add here s only. Painter paints. A doctor treats. Add s. A teacher teaches. Here we add es. Why we add here es? Because the word finished with ch. So that's why we add here es. All these are for the singular s and es and they all are for present tense. These all are the verbs with s and es for present tense. A tailor, what the tailor does? Stitches. A driver drives. S. A thief steals. Add s. A chef, what the chef do? Cooks. S. Clear? In this part you can see that read each sentence, choose the correct verb. Verb is given in a bracket. We have to choose from there to complete each sentence. So what will come in the first sentence? Jill likes liking to eat candy. What will come here? Likes. Present tense. My dog eats or eat all of his food. What will come? My dog eats. Always remember, if a singular noun is there, you have to make the verb with the plural s. You have to add there s. Then runs running to school. Runs, verb run, and add there s. 3 sentences are left. This is for homework, grade 3 students. You have to do and do comment me the answer. Next parts come for present tense, has and have. In the previous slides we have seen there the word s and es added for the verbs to make it what? To make it your present tense, S and ES. Now the same way, this is the next step what we are going to read about present tense verb. Has and have, where we are using has and have. Has and have shows the present tense in a verb. Has and have also shows us or tells about the present, where we are using has and have. Let's check. Has tells about one person, place or a thing, so it shows that has we are using for singular, that telling us about one person, place or thing. So has we are using this tense for singular. Go through the example. He has a sharp knife. Knife is single and he person is also single. So you can see he has a sharp knife. We are not using he have a sharp knife. We are saying he has a sharp knife for singular present tense. She has a beautiful cat. One cat, she is singular. We are using singular verb tense has. Has a present tense or verb, singular verb we are using for single. Can you tell me the answer for this one? Let's practice. She dash a wallet. What will come here? Has or a have? Think. She is a single and wallet single in her hand. So what will come? She has a wallet. Has. तो हमने अभी हैज़ और हैव किया. हैज़ हमें समझ में आ गई कि हम सिंगल के लिए यूज़ करते हैं सिंगुलर प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट. तो अब हैव जो है हम प्लूरल के लिए यूज़ करेंगे, मोर देन वन. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हैव? टू वेयर टू यूज़ हैव? Have tells about more than one person, place or a thing. Has we did tells about one person, place or a thing, and have more than one person, place or thing. Check here. I have a lot of pencils. Why we are using have here? Because the lot of pencil, the object, is more than one. So we are using here have. I have a lot of pencils. Usually have comes with I, you, we, they. I and you is a singular, but the nouns will come more than two, more than one. So we are using have. I singular, you singular, we and they are plural. You can see here how we are using has and have. I have, we have, they have, you have. With this all we use have, and he has singular, she has, it has. So according to this, can you fill in the blanks with has or have? Mommy dash the soup recipe. Mommy singular, what will come here? Has the soup recipe. The baby toys in the bathtub. Baby is singular, but the toys are more than one. The baby have toys in the bathtub. He dash a tricycle. He singular, tricycle also singular. What will come here? He has a tricycle. Then fourth one, they dash colorful hats. They plural, more than one. Hats more than one. So what will come here? They have colorful hats. We dash go to the party tonight. We are more in number. So what here it will come? We have to go to the party tonight. Clear, students? So next 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these are the homework for you. Try to do it. Be ready for the next video. Present tense we finished. Next video will be for past tense, grade 3. So next video I can make it tomorrow. So till then, take rest, revise all the sheets and all the slides. Okay. Thanks for watching my channel V4 Concept Learning. Students, do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel V4 Concept Learning. Okay. Next video will be for the past tense verb. Till then, take a rest. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye bye.